Hello, so we are making a computer table. I've had problems with my back. I've been sitting down on a computer for a long time and my back's starting to get a little bit crooked, and it's going to get worse if I sit down a lot on the computer. So I'm making a table that will go on top of a table to put my computer on so I can stand. Okay? Stand up and be straight and straighten out my crooked back. So here it is. Okay, it's a simple construction. Now you're seeing that upside down. Okay, a simple construction like this, plain and simple, self-explanatory. Get 4 pieces of wood like this, stick on that. It doesn't have to be the same way, whichever way you want. The 4 legs up, and then you would have to put 4 going along the top part as well, which is actually the bottom here, the top, so it doesn't move in the top. It's not stable in the top, it's only stable here. So once that is done, okay, you'll turn it around and have one of these ready. Okay, you can do the top any way that you want, but this is how I chose to do it. You put this right in here. Hang on, right in here, and you got yourself a table. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that comes off. I can stick it here if I want. I can put a different one there. I can put whatever top I want. That's how it's going to look. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we'll just put our computer on there, and then we'll just stand here and play our computer like this and keep the back straight. Eventually, after a while, the back will straighten out. Now another thing that I want to teach you on woodwork is that these nails are much more longer than here. Okay, here the head is sticking out, because if it doesn't, these nails are going to go right through to the other side, and I don't want that. So I hammer it about here, goes to about there, then here I can saw the nail out. Okay, as you see here, I can saw that with a hacksaw. Here later on it becomes a square. We give this a good sanding, okay, good sanding, and then we paint it, and this is good. We can put, also change the top. I haven't got another top to put this one, put in this one. Okay, that's all I got. So if I get a better top, I can put a better top, and if I want, or I can keep it as it is. And I'm happy as it is, so I might keep it as it is. Okay, depends what I feel like in the future. Now, this will continue to one more video to show you the finished, to show you the next stage of this, and maybe another video or two on the finished product. Thank you for listening. Simple construction, as you can see how it's done. I'll put it down here so you can be seen a little bit better, actually. Down here. Okay. As you can see down there. Okay, just down here. Okay, just here. Okay, so thank you for listening, and stay tuned for the next video.